Well, once again, a very good evening. My name is Raj, and today is the day that most of you have been waiting for to witness what's coming up next, to witness how things are moving forward, and to witness the power of stratified tag markets. And not only that, furthermore, how it is going to unfold in the coming few days. Well, without much ado, I know this call is specifically meant to talk about some information, some insights. More essentially, it is also to showcase the growth plan, the business opportunity in itself. So without much of ado, time now for the first 5 to 7 minutes. I take you through the business opportunity in itself. All right. So let's begin. Welcome to Stratify. Welcome to where the doors have opened. Welcome to the beautiful, the powerful, and yet the most talked about product services that has been into the offer. Well, we are talking about Stratify, where it is a one platform offering multiple solutions, be it copy trading, trading signals, affiliate rewards, exchange, academy, crypto debit card, and much more. Stratify has introduced the Forex broker tag markets. Now, tag markets is one of the fastest growing brokers across the world, which is fully licensed and regulated by the Financial Services Commission Mauritius. And it also is one of the fastest innovators in the space of Forex trading. And undoubtedly, the entire change in the global currency trading landscape has been navigated through TAG and Stratify. Talking about some of its fantastic USPs, well, TAG Markets essentially offers a secure and transparent, at the same time, a high performance environment for traders. They trade in Forex, gold, stocks, indices, commodities, cryptos, and much more. Regulated by the Financial Services Commission, at this point in time, Tag Market has a total of 600,000 plus members using the copy trading and the manual trading. Well, talking about the USPs, it has a benchmark of an average withdrawal time of 1 hour, an average trading volume of $200 billion, a leverage of 1:500 with over 600,000 plus traders, a 24/7 multilingual support, even available on WhatsApp. We are talking about the blaze. We are talking about the speed. We are talking about how efficient it has become for most of you. Well, also, imagine a platform that does not charge you on the deposits or the withdrawals. Tag is the platform that does not charge anything on the deposits that you do or on the withdrawals that you make, whether it's your profits, whether it's your capital. There's absolutely zero deposit and withdrawal fees. And obviously, the fast crypto withdrawals is one of its USPs with a MetaTrader 5 experience. As soon as you sign up to Tag Markets, you do a deposit, you connect your account to the copy trader, you get the MetaTrader 5 credentials, where you just have to search for TM, Tag Market TM Financials, and just enter the credentials, and you can see the trades done by a copy trader. And the most important thing, you earn on an autopilot, which is the copy trading mode. Now, furthermore, the platform itself offers a 12x amplification on Tag Markets. But here, you all have a chance to get 24x as a special promotion up until the 28th of February. Talking about learning the basics. I know a lot of you love to learn. You feel good, you feel empowered when you're learning that as well. We do have the Tag Academy, where you can learn from the world's best master traders, right from the basics and foundations up until what it means to become a pro trader. Stratify also introduces Sonic AI. Now, this is something very important for each one of you, dear family. Dear leaders, I can just tell you one thing. If you are here on the call today, and if you're listening to this, copy trading is your gateway to get the passive income. And Stratify has introduced Sonic. Sonic is the copy trader on the tag market platform. Sonic essentially has a member of three. It's a team of three people. Two are the pilots and one is the master trader. The role of the pilot is to assimilate all the information going on in the world geopolitically. The other pilot looks at all the indexes of gold, fuel, etc., etc. And the master trader, based on all the analytics, places the trade. Now, Sonic is something that we have seen the results in the last 3 months. Be it the month of October, where the results were outstanding up to 27% ROI on your 24x account, or for the month of November, 21%, or for the month of December, 23%. And January, we've been seeing different trades every day in the last 2 weeks. Now, do we recommend you to follow Sonic just because we love Sonic? Well, absolutely not. It is based on the recommendation and the historical insights by Sonic. Now, if you can look at the graph, every month you see a different number. 1.26, 1.78, 1.61, 1.63%. Well, let me tell you, this is multiplied by 24 because you have a 24x account. 24x on your initial capital deposit. So you can multiply the number with 24 and see the outcome of what we are talking about. And simultaneously, we do have the MyFX book link that talks about all the historical information of the copy trader that you can vet it, that you can confirm it on the MyFX book. Talking about Sonic, it also has a comprehensive gold and USD trading. Of course, Sonic, most of us have seen it majorly deals in gold. And you can see the lot size, you can see all of these trades, and you can see the profits. And of course, this is trading. There also comes sometimes the losses. But at the end of the day, if my entire outlook is in positive, I'm happy. And Sonic comprehensively trades in gold and USD pair. Talking about what is the platform, talking about what it has to offer, we have seen this all. Now's the time for each one of you as a leader, as a business builder, to understand the world's simplest and powerful growth plan. We don't call this a compensation plan. We don't call this a business plan because it is a simple and a powerful growth plan powered by Stratify. Now, what are the various bonuses or commissions? Well, we are talking about trading profits. We are talking about profit sharing, lot commission, leader pool, CPA earnings, and the incentives. Talking about the trading profit, 70% of whatever has happened goes to you. You keep it for yourself. If $10,000 is the profit in a month, 70% of that is yours. 5% goes to the copy trader, and the 25% is shared in 10 levels, 2.5% each at every level. This leads us to our 10-level profit share model. Simple and understandable. I sponsor you, you sponsor someone else sponsors someone else, and this chain goes on. 10 levels, profit share, 2.5% is being received every single week. Whenever there's a trade, whenever there's a particular transaction, a lot is opened. So obviously, this brings us to our third important growth plan bonus that is called the lot commissions 10 level. You can earn up to $8.5 in the 10 levels. Furthermore, the leader pool 1 and the leader pool 2, equal amount is distributed in both the pools. that makes it $10.50 out of $14.50 that is earned in the lot commission by tag markets. Out of $14, $10.50 is what is being distributed. Then we talk about the CPA earnings. As simple as it may sound, you earn 1% from your directs if the deposits in a month is of $10,000. You earn 2% from your entire network, your entire team. Not just the 10 levels, 20, 100 levels, how many ever legs you have, doesn't matter. You earn 2% if the deposit in a month is $50,000 and above. 3.5% if $200,000 in deposits. 5%, which is $50,000, is what you earn if the deposits in a month from your entire team is $1 million. And of course, the incentives. We all love this part. We all want to have this part. And incentives, you have different forms of incentives. For example, the travel voucher. For example, the luxury watch, the gold and the silver, and a house of up to $1.2 million that you can buy for yourself in Dubai. To track your business, you do have the Stratify IB portal, and the link you can see here. And of course, you have the link once you start off with this beautiful and powerful journey. You have an access, you have a tool that you can track each and every business coming from different parts, geographies, demographies, everything, and how efficient it will be if you're using this tool on an everyday basis. Talking about the MetaTrader 5 experience, once you connect your account to the CopyTrader, you get the credentials of MetaTrader. Download the MetaTrader and search for TM Financials. You see all the trades that are being placed by Sonic. And talking about some more interesting things, we are every day updating the Stratify link tree where you can just scan it on your mobile phone and you have the entire process for the journey that runs through and talks about how powerful this opportunity is, because each and every step is outlined into this platform. Therefore, we talk about one trade and a billion solutions. Well, this was the business opportunity of Stratify and Tag Markets. Time now to take you through some more interesting things, some more interesting features. But before that, we do have our fantastic team here, which constantly keeps working day in, day out, and talk about the growth plan. I know a lot of you also have expressed your desire to show us the growth plan. Raj, tell me, how good would it be if we are able to see the growth plan, etc. But trust me, dear family, dear affiliates, dear members, I can just tell you one thing, that we do have a lot of videos that talks about the growth plan. We do have a lot of videos that talks about each and every segments. But today we are here to learn and understand some great insights, some great updates. And for this, we have our favorite person who's always been with us, who's the key reason, who's the sole responsible for making sure that members earn every day, who's one of the most important and most instrumental factors to take us through in this journey today. We do have Mr. Kenny Nordland here with us, and I'd like to now hand it over to our fantastic Kenny. So over to you.
Hey, Raj, thank you. Great to be listening to this, your presentation. It's great to see, the opportunity for everyone in just minutes. Of course, not only, the opportunity of Stratify with Tag Markets, Sonic AI, but also, and the results of Sonic AI, but on top of that, the income potentials for people building a business at the pace they want to build it, of course. One thing I want to talk about just prior is that I've been 30 years in the network industry, and one of the hurdles have always built, no matter if usually there's a package involved. There is $100 package, $500 package, $5,000 package, and whatever that package has been, one of the key issues has always been that people join, they're super excited. And if you look at results in the industry, about 8% actually earn back whatever their package they purchase. So if they purchased a $1,000 package, they earn back usually 8% is average. Now, this obviously is if you look in the broad world. One of the things that's fantastic with this, there is no package. There is no monthly fee, auto-ship or monthly fee or yearly fee. Basically, you start, it's free. It's taking away all the hurdles. And then you can get started trying the product Sonic AI, which I think all of you know. You can start at $10, $1,000, $100,000. That's up to you. And if you start today and there's a trade in an hour or a trade tomorrow, boom, you see your first profit that you can withdraw. That's the product. And that is actually what's driving everything is the product. So my point here is that from the 8%, first of all, we've taken away that people need to buy a package. That's number one. Number two, the other thing is, even if you don't recruit anybody, recommend anybody the product, you will be earning money, profit from the product yourself. Meaning that's the big difference here, leading with the product. So that is actually all I'm going to be saying about tag markets and Sonic AI today. I'm going to be focused on some things, and I know that a lot of you have heard rumors, especially about crypto card and different things. So I will be now introducing two things that will be one that will be coming in March and one that will be coming in February. That I hope you guys will be just as excited about as I am, because it has the same philosophy there as with Stratify, tag markets, and Sonic AI, an opportunity for you to actually earn money and help other people earn money even better. So let's get started right away. I will actually start to show you some details about the debit card, crypto card, yes, starting with that. So the card is called BIX, and basically empower you to easily get access, fast access of your funds and be able to spend them through your card, of course. If we move on to next slide there will be actually 4 different cards. They will be deliverable. It's a decentralized crypto debit card, BIX FI. This will be launched in March. And there will be, it's shipped to 179 different countries worldwide. There's 4 different cards. There's a virtual one for $9.99. There's a plastic card for $100. There's a metal card for $250. And then there's a one made in 16-ounce gold that actually is $25,000. The interesting thing is, which is pretty uncommon, is that all the cards have the same functions. So if you buy the virtual card or the metal card, you'll have the same opportunities using your card. The difference with the virtual is that you are actually only you don't have the physical card to go to an ATM, etc. Rest through Apple Pay, Google Pay, you can use it, and of course shop online because you have the card details. If we move to the next slide, there is also a monthly subscription for the card that all different cards can use, which costs $9.99 per month. And if you look at this, you actually have an opportunity to earn miles when you're spending on the card, concierge service, launch and early access opportunity, and then also, car rental insurance benefits on top of it. This is, of course, very, very cool. The card will be growing as it's launched. To move into next slide, meaning first of all, of course, today, when you make, for example, commission in Stratify, you get it in your IB portal, you click and you move it to tag and you can withdraw it. The option when you have the card is you will be able to withdraw this straight to the card, of course, which means it's fast and efficient. obviously you can choose. You can choose, I want to withdraw this amount to the card, this amount to the tag wallet. So it gives you extra opportunities, of course. The card will be rolled out. There will be different function features in there. For example, you'll have access to a SEPA IBAN, SWIFT. Also, there will be different fees for exchanging, usage, and different things. One thing I will tell you that you will like, being affiliates on this call, is that all the fees I just showed you, for the cards, the $9.99 per month, or the metal card, or whatever card, or the different fees, up to 60% of all those fees will be kicked back into the affiliate model. Meaning your team you have today in Stratify, when people start purchasing the card, using the card, up to 60% of that will be pushed back into the affiliate model. So you actually don't only earn money when you're helping them earn money on Sonic AI or in commissions. Even when they start using the money, there's actually some more money there as well with the card, which is quite interesting. So during March, this card will be launched out. There will be some functions there that will be rolled out during 2 months, which I talked about with IBAN and so on. So again, through your IB portal on Stratify, you today have an opportunity. Everybody joins Tag Markets. Everybody starts using Sonic AI. You have the different commissions, opportunities in there. The card is an extra opportunity on top to earn, to grow that turnover and income even further. There is one more thing, and this I know that many of you will be a bit blown away with. So I'm just going to hit it right away. During February, the month of February, they're actually also introducing Bit1, which is actually a fully crypto exchange. Now this is same features built as your Bybit, OKX, etc. Talking about this, and I'm just going to give you a peek view of this, which more will come as we're growing into February month, because I think it's important for you to see the long-term opportunity when you are building a team. Obviously focus a lot on Sonic AI. And then, that team, a lot of those people, which I know are also in crypto, meaning they are using Binance, they're using Bybit, they're using OKX or another exchange. Well, now they can use Bybit very, very soon as well. And I'll tell you why in a couple of minutes. If we go to the next slide, the functions in there, from day one, there will be, offers of 60 future pairs, 50x up to 100x, different from the different pairs, spot trading over 60 pairs and growing, quick convert feature, obviously great, IB portals. You'll have the VIX card program. So now you understand why the exchange is launching prior to the card. You'll have different education and trading academies in Bit1. You'll have a copy trading ecosystem, automatic trading bots. You will have API trading availability. The exchange from day one will be licensed in El Salvador in what you call a DASP licensed, and Canada MSB licensed from day one, the exchange. If we move on, you'll basically have all the things you need in an exchange. Your USD, future trading, copy trading, spot, convert, all the different things together with the card. It will be a very interesting launch during next month. Then, maybe one of all you on the line here was thinking, okay, what's in it for me? What's in it for me? Is he going to sell me something now or not? Absolutely not. This is the same. It's free to join Bit1. Yes, that's Tag Market. There's no monthly fee. There's no packages. There's no yearly fee, etc. But to give you a couple of exciting things here with trading volume, some of you know what future trading is, some don't. if you look at the calculations, I believe actually the average is something closer to like 24x that people use when they're doing future trading. And the average is actually 3 trades per day. But let's look at this example. If somebody deposits $10,000 to do future trading and does 15x on an average, 3 trades per day, that's a daily trading volume of 450,000. That's a monthly trading volume of 13.5 million. Now, the interesting thing is the trading fees on crypto are super, super low. It's 0.12%, meaning 0.12% is the fee, but it's calculated on the total amount in trading. So if you've done, for example, 15x, if you look for the month, in this example, if somebody is doing 10,000, 3 trades per day on average, and we know some days they don't do a trade, some days they do 10 trades, but we're talking about on average. The fee would be $16,200 on one person in this example, one single person. And the commission structure on this, or the growth plan, and what's kicked into your growth plan will be up to 60% of that amount. So that means in a month, on one person doing future trading with these averages, and let me tell you something, there's people that are future trading with 100,000. There's people that are future trading with hundreds of thousands. 60% of that will be kicked back into the affiliate model, which is quite exciting. If we move to the next slide, you see here some, some calculations on trading volume to give you what kind of rewards that could be kicked back into the community. So that means in this example, $9,720 would be kicked back into the affiliate model. You know how Raj was just explaining from the profit share from Sonic, how 2.5% is shared in 10 levels of the profit, right? So if somebody makes, for example, 10,000 in a month in profit, 2,500 of that during the month is shared on the 10 levels. Here in this example, if you have one person like this trading, you would have $9,720 shared in the affiliate model. Just to give you an example, this is super exciting things. The site is bit1x.com. This is the first time our community is actually kicking out that these things are coming. We peaked a little bit of a cards. We've hinted that there's an exchange. So basically, if you look at the cycle here, you have the IB portal Stratify, you have tag markets, you have obviously Bit1 and the card. Also, very excited about this service. Tag market, for example, is not available in the US. Some of these products, services that I just showed, people will be able to actually purchase in the US as well, to give you an example. So it's expanding the business. Your income is going on standing on multiple legs. This means, at the moment, if you look at tag, you are actually earning profit share from the Sonic AI Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every Monday, Sunday, Monday, you get paid the profit share commissions, 10 levels, and the lot commissions based on last week. And then once a month, you get the CPA and the different leader pools if you achieve them, right? Well, with the Bit1, crypto exchange is actually open 24/7, meaning future trading goes on 24/7, 365 days a year, number one. Card spending varies, but some people spend money all the time, some don't. So that as well. So you will actually, if you look down 2-3 months down the line, when you have a team using Bit1, a team using the card, and a team that is using, and it could be the same person, of course, using Sonic AI, you will be getting paid the commissions from the tag. You will be getting paid the commissions from whatever happenings with the card in your organization, and you will be getting paid whatever is happening in bit one on top of that. We're very excited about these things, and I think most people are as well. As you know, in tag markets, there's been, and is, promotional tokens where, people can use the promotional tokens as 50% of the deposit. There will be similar opportunities for those promotional tokens to be used in Bit1 as well, which people are very excited about, or will be very excited about. We're excited about it, but we're excited to tell you about these things, so you hear it from the straight source, what it means. I like your background, sir.
That's exactly the background we all are waiting for, Kenny. Because
Yeah, yeah.
yesterday we have had a couple of questions from our members. Oh, there's no trade, there's no trade. And today you look at the trade surpassing. I mean, that's the excitement. People have already seen that.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, today we had yesterday no trade, which these days will come. And today we had a very big trade hit as well, which was great as well. So exciting times. A lot of meetings going on. There is a event the 20th of December, limited seatings here in Dubai. Only about 650, 700 seats. It's a full day, one day. The day will be full focus on tag, full focus on Bit1, and full focus on the card as well. There is ways. Tickets are, I believe, $50. So we will be shooting this out. It's important to register if you're coming. I know that there's some of you that has already achieved the Rolex Awards and so on. So it might be worth a trip here to pick up a Rolex. Just a little tip for everyone. But no matter which market you're building, and I know that some are going into Chinese New Year around this time. We're also preparing in March a tour. We will go to multiple places, ending the tour with Macau. So we will be just had meetings here. There will be meetings in India. There will be meeting in Africa. There will be meetings in multiple Asian markets, and also ending the tour with Macau, that we will believe be one of the biggest meetings. But let's see, you never know. If you ask one of my friends in India, they will have a bigger meeting. They're a bigger country nowadays, right? So
Absolutely, Kenny.
So a lot of exciting things moving in. Hope you're all excited. Today is the 20th. So no matter if you started, when you started, I would recommend, duplication wise, you should be looking at hitting CPA this month. And it doesn't matter, go into your IB portal, check your CPAs, check how far you are from hitting, CPA 1%, CPA 2%, CPA 3.5%, CPA 5%. And go for the highs you can, because it will duplicate. And number one, if you are going for 3.5%, most likely you will help several in your team hit 1%, 2%. And that duplication will drive your growth in the business. So a lot of people ask me, what I should focus on. And I said, you should focus on CPAs every month. So every month you should be focusing on CPA, because if you're growing your CPA bonus, that means your residual bonus that you get paid every week from the profit share and the lot commission will naturally be growing every single week. And there's one thing that I have not seen in 30 years in this industry that actually works here. And that is, obviously, when you're growing more deposits through the CPA bonus, what is naturally happening is you're growing the residual. So let's say you're at the moment at $500 a week residual. If you don't grow anything, as long as Sonic AI is doing what it's doing, you'll be earning about 500 per week, sorry. But if you grow deposits, that will go to 600, 700, 1,000 and beyond. But here you have two things working for yourself. First of all, you and your team growing your team with CPA bonus. And number two, Sonic AI growing. And nothing grows quicker than a product that is delivering. And how it grows is it naturally, sooner or later, makes people scream, you need to be here, you need to try this. They top up their accounts, they try to withdraw and get their withdrawal, and after that, they start, maybe reinvesting 25%, reinvesting 50%, which also grows your residual as well. So it's a fantastic model, and we haven't even started with bit one and the card and so on top of it. So it's kind of a surprise call to kickstart 2026 a bit, moving into the coming months. January, end of this month, February, March, April will be tremendous months. We will be having meetings and probably meet, probably somewhere between 4,000 to 5,000 people or more in all these meetings. I'm probably talking too low. It should be even more. It might be 5,000 to 8,000 people, actually, if you look at all the different meetings that will be done in the different markets.